What is a power of attorney? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. We get this question quite a bit. And it's not a superhero, the powers of attorneys. No, this is an instrument. This is a document that actually is the foundation of a good estate plan, but it's used for many other things as well. If you recall, once COVID arrived, a seller of real estate very rarely went to a closing, and they still rarely go to the real estate closings. They have their attorney step into their shoes with the use of a limited power of attorney. This is an instrument whereby somebody trusts another person to act on their behalf, sign documents on their behalf. For example, a real estate closing, and it's limited to that piece of real estate. But what about everything else? What about investments and banking and all of this when somebody maybe becomes incapacitated or unavailable? Well, that's where a power of attorney comes in handy. Back in the day, this was typically the responsibility of a licensed attorney, but that's not the case anymore. Now we use a term called an attorney in fact, and that can be any person that you name. But it's critical that that person is somebody that you trust implicitly, because they will have powers similar to those that you have. They would be able to, again, step into your shoes. So who would you trust for that? Now, most people think when they talk about estate planning, they think about, well, what happens after I die? But often people don't think about the situations that may actually occur prior to death, where there's an incapacitation or an inability or an unavailability to sign certain documents. So this becomes the foundation of any good estate plan. Now, we may caution you, however, that the longer that these documents sit, some financial institutions might deem them stale. So it's a good idea to review those with an attorney, and we'd be happy to do that. With a free consultation with our estate planning team, Ben and his team would be happy to review your power of attorney or your estate plan. And if you don't have a power of attorney or an estate plan, they'd be happy to set up a consultation to discuss those strategies and work through that with you as well. So please reach out at 781-319-1900 for a no-commitment, free consultation to discuss strategies around powers of attorney and estate plans here at Stiles Law. Remember, it's always better to be proactive so you're not forced to be reactive. And always remember, when you're working with financial, tax, insurance, real estate, or mortgage professionals, and the conversation of legal services comes up, ask to work with the team at Stiles Law. We would love to help. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law to have access to the entire library of videos similar to this and the ones going forward. But you have to ring the bell to be notified. Don't forget to do that. Be well.